What'd you making today, babe?
Black beans.
Black beans.
And the slow cooker. No meat.
Vegetarian.
Pretty much. Dilly and everything. And that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much dead.
This is why you don't touch capacitors.
One.
He just seized the broom.
First step. This one. 3 to 4 hours.
Look at that organization.
That's the way I'm gonna put it in. Tomatoes. Okay. Shit everywhere. I'm sorry.
Can you use any bouillon you want?
You can, but I really highly recommend this. And they have a vegetable one too, so if you want it completely vegetarian. I smell like garlic now. was 3 teaspoons.
You got the right size spoon that fits in the container.
Okay. About 3 to 4 more hours. This is slow cooker, guys.
Oh, that smells so yummy.
It smells like chili,
It does.
but it's more like no meat chili. It's gonna be really yummy.
Of course it will be.
Okay.
I can smell it from here.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Do that.
Yeah, I had to stay back from that steam. Oh, yeah. How long has this been cooking?
Oh, well, with everything in it, it's been cooking for about 4 hours. But when I had to cook the beans first, the dry beans, and that's another about 3.5 hours.
Is that my bowl?
How are your presents? I'm gonna do pictures. Give me the thing.